with the lockdown continuing, several people continue to face hardships. A Jain family in Yadiur is helping the needy by distributing food. The family of four first started to distribute food from their home. After a week, through the help of Banashankari police, they have moved to a local temple where they now cook food and supply it to more than 1,000 people. Police are also helping the family by identifying the spots where the food can be distributed. Let's go across to my colleague Prajwal, who joins us live from the spot with more inputs on it. Well, Prajwal, due to the lockdown, the downtrodden, the destitute are the worst affected. Now, several volunteers have joined to help the family. They have been providing food to those in dire need. Do tell us more about this noble gesture.
Absolutely, Neha. Now, ever since the lockdown was announced, we've been seeing how a lot of poor and destitute people were finding it hard to find food and shelter. Now, we've also seen a lot of volunteers coming forward, a lot of NGOs, a lot of other organizations also coming forward to help these people in need. Now, one small Jain family in Yadiur is also contributing by distributing food to more than 1,000 people. Now, let me take you across to one of those kitchens where I'm currently standing right now. As you can see, they have started prepping food. Now, they've taken utmost care. They're covering their head. They're wearing proper masks. Now, what has happened today was due to the rains, unexpected rains today morning, their preparations were a little bit delayed. Now, still they have come here. They have started to prep food now. After this, they'll be cooking the food. After the preparations are done, they'll cook the food. Then they'll start distributing to people across the city, those who are in need. Now, the local police, Neha, has also helped this family by identifying all these places where a lot of people, a lot of poor people are present so that they can easily go and deliver this food. Now, to get more on this, I'm joined in by Deepak Jain, who's a member of this family. Sir, now, when did you start doing this and why did you think of this idea? What was the whole plan behind this?
This was a sudden thing happened, and from since day one of lockdown, the Banashankari police had approached us, and since they have relocated a few people in a construction site, around 35 to 40 people, so they told me if we can provide the food to them. So we immediately agreed and we started making food packets for them at home and the terrace, and slowly, gradually, in the next 2-3 days, the Banashankari police identified more people. So this reached up to 200 to 300 packets around Banashankari limits. Then the Banashankari police roped in a lot of volunteers, so that will be helpful to us. And then we start in next 1 week and next fortnight we reached this target up to 1,000. So because of the lack of space we had in the terrace, so the Uma Maheshwari Temple Trust came as a blessing in disguise for us. And the next few days we got this place, the Temple Trust on located in KR Road, where today we have reached up to 2,500 to 2,000, and we make anywhere between 2,500 to 2,800 food packets for both the times, which are where we supply, the volunteers of the Banashankari police supply in Banashankari limits, Chenamantkere at Achkat, Girinagar and Hanumanagar. We go up to the slums of Oskarli, Itmadu and all those places.
Well, sir, initially when you started, you told me that you started from your home, you started cooking on the terrace. Now, you are a small family, maybe 4 to 5 members. Now, did you face any difficulties when starting up? How did you cope with all those difficulties?
No, actually, to be frank, we did not face any difficulties at all. We just started out of passion and compassion, where 40-50 packets was a very easy job for my wife because she's already a very good cook, and my wife and my sister-in-law and one of my friends, so they're very good cooks at home. So 50 packets, 100 packets, and today 2,800 packets up to 3,000 packets is very easy for them. If you can have after a short while, you can go to the kitchen and have a look. We actually did not face any difficulties while preparing the food.
Now, sir, you generally start around 9 a.m. So today there were some unexpected rains. So what happened today? You were a bit late. So were your all these grains, were they wet? What happened?
The rains today from morning 5:30 it started, where usually we at 6:30 we go to the market to procure the vegetables and groceries if required. While coming, we came in the rains, and it was a little bit late because we had to wait for the rains to get stopped, so that we can move the groceries part. Otherwise, if it gets wet, then there would be a problem doing this.
Now, sir, you also told me how the local police at the Banashankari police had helped you. Now, what did they do? How did they help you to sort out the logistics and everything?
The local police roped in a lot of volunteers. They started giving passes to them. They identified the volunteers. They gave passes to them who were, and they are working relentlessly and very beautifully, giving the food packets on time, delivering the packets on time, both the times, afternoon as well as in the evening.
Thank you. Well, Neha, that was one of the members of this Jain family who, despite it rain today, they have still come here to prepare food and deliver this food to the needy. Now, what we must understand is that this is a small Jain family. Now, initially, they started doing this out of their homes. Now, later, they moved into a local temple. Now, the local police at the Banashankari police have also helped this family by getting in a lot of volunteers, helping them with providing curfew passes and also identifying all of these locations where poor people and these people in need are present, so that it is easy for this family to directly go there and not face any hassle while delivering food. Back to you, Neha.